Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to discuss about where do DJs get their music. So DJs don't download music from random websites. We purchase music from DJ stores or record pools. DJ stores are the places where DJs find their high quality tracks. DJ stores tend to have per track purchase and not a subscription basis. Under DJ stores on the list we have Beatport. Beatport is one of the largest record collection which mostly focuses on club tracks, extended mixes and electronic releases. Second, we have Bandcamp. Bandcamp is mostly focused on underground and indie music. You can find hidden gems in Bandcamp catalog, and this is a great way for supporting the artist as well. Third, we have Apple iTunes. Apple iTunes have all the tracks which is released in streaming platforms. If you are an open format DJ who plays Bollywood, pop or commercial gigs, this is the best place to get your tracks from. And fourth, we have Soundio. Soundio is one of the underrated websites which contains high quality tracks similar to Beatport or Juno Download. This website is really cheap and this is the best way to grow your library fast. On the second category, we have DJ Pools, which is a subscription based platform. On the first list, we have BPM Supreme. BPM Supreme is mostly focused on DJ edits, mashups, and this is really good for open format DJs. Second, we have DJ City. DJ City is mainly focused on mainstream hits, club edits, hip hop and pop music. Compared to DJ stores, record pools are really cheap and this is the fastest way to build your library. Record pools are based in subscription. It is either yearly or monthly. We can access unlimited downloads within these subscriptions. The difference between DJ pools and DJ stores are, from DJ stores you have to purchase each and every track individually, and in record pools you can download unlimited track until your subscription gets over. In my personal angle, I use Soundio for bulk downloads and faster library growth. Soundio also supports to download WAV or AIFF and also MP3 version. Either you can choose WAV or AIFF in the settings. Plus, you can download the MP3 for backup. If you are mostly focused on club mixes and underground music, I prefer Beatport. And for finding hidden gems, I'll be using Bandcamp. If you would ask me which are my favorites under DJ stores, I would really recommend iTunes and Soundio for collecting your music. Under record pools, I would suggest BPM Supreme and DJ City. It depends on what kind of music you want. I hope this video helped you guys to understand where do DJs get this music from. Let me know in the comments which is your favorite record pool or DJ store.